In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore workflow backups from GitHub into an n8n instance. This walkthrough is perfect for disaster recovery, migrating to a new server, or quickly cloning an entire set of automations without importing files one by one. By the end, you'll have an automated pipeline that lists your backup files in GitHub, downloads each workflow JSON, and recreates them inside n8n with minimal effort. We'll start the process with a manual trigger. This simply means you decide when the restoration runs by clicking Execute Workflow. It's a safe way to kick things off because you stay in control of when the operation begins, which is especially helpful if you're restoring into a production environment. Next, we tell the workflow where the backups live using a set node. Here, you define the GitHub username and the repository name that contains your saved workflows. Keep these values tidy and accurate, and make sure your backups are stored inside a dedicated folder, typically called Workflows, so everything stays organized. If you're using credentials in n8n for GitHub, ensure they're already configured and tested beforehand. With the repository details in place, the GitHub node goes to work by listing the files inside the Workflows folder. Each file represents a workflow backup in JSON format. The node returns useful metadata like the file name, a direct download URL, and other details. This step gives us a clean inventory so we know exactly what will be restored. To avoid rate limits and keep resource usage steady, we process files one at a time using split in batches. Setting the batch size to 1 ensures each workflow is handled sequentially, which reduces the chance of hitting API limits or overloading your n8n instance. It also makes troubleshooting easier because you'll know exactly which file is being processed at any given moment. For each file, an HTTP request node downloads the JSON from GitHub using the provided URL. This fetches the complete workflow structure, including nodes, connections, and workflow settings, exactly as they were when you backed them up. Make sure the request retrieves the raw JSON content so the data is ready to use. Finally, the n8n node recreates each workflow inside your n8n instance by using the downloaded JSON as the workflow object. Once created, you'll see the workflows appear in your dashboard, ready for review and activation. That completes the restoration. In short, you click to start, point to the right repo, list the backups, process them one by one, download each JSON, and recreate the workflows in n8n. It's a fast, reliable way to recover or migrate your automations with confidence.